Welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be unboxing my brand new Technica AT2020 microphone. Open it up. You got paperwork right here. And then you got the mic. I'm actually using the microphone right now too, so yeah. Let me take it out. Here's the front, bottom, top, and the back. And then it comes with a pouch to hold it in. And in the pouch is the microphone connector. This is what you use to connect the mic to like a mic stand or whatever. And yeah, that's it. Here's it set up on my boom arm. And yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.